Okay, I want to show y'all. These are two of the trenches, I guess I dug. So each row is roughly 2 feet apart. I just step them out, which I'm sure you saw in the video. And so I'm going to continue to dig these down. I do like to use my smaller shovel because it makes the trenches kind of the perfect width, not too wide. I'm only piling in certain sections because I like to companion plant. So between this row and this row, there is a row of garlic that's actually starting to come up. You can see. So garlic helps to keep pests away. Okay, so we've got our trenches done and we've got our potatoes planted in the trenches. Now your potatoes, you want them to be about 1 foot apart, and you are going to plant them the cut side down with the eyes up. And I use my little shovel. This is 12 inches and to do my measuring. So we've got these ones. What we're going to do is we're just going to put a little coverage on there just to cover the potatoes. It's going to continue to keep a divot, and as the plant grows, we're going to take this soil that's mounded up over here and push it on the plant. This is going to help support the plant and help encourage it to create a really good root system. And the better the root system, the more potatoes you get.